Let's be real. You are going to have days where you wake up and feel like everything is going to shit. Everything around you is crumbling. You were waking up every morning and everything was perfect. Everything was working out for you. You've been healing. You've been manifesting. Everything is all good. But then you're going to have that one morning where you wake up and you're negative in your bank account. You don't have hardly any money in your bank account. Your car's messed up. Your air conditioning don't work. There's just something that is happening to you that you see as a sign that maybe this journey isn't for you. Maybe you aren't worthy of whatever it is you're manifesting. Maybe you're not worthy of welcoming in more money, more abundance. Well, guess what? That is 1000% not true. When you reach that breaking point where everything feels like it's crumbling, that is when you have to fully surrender. God, source, spirit, whatever you resonate with, you have to surrender and trust and have faith that it is all going to work out in your favor. You just have to trust and have faith that everything is working out in your favor. Now, is it easy? Absolutely not. There are days where you just feel like everything around you is crumbling. Your relationship, your marriage, your money situation, your job, your anxiety's coming up, you're feeling depressed, like you have all these different things coming up. Those are the days that you have to fully surrender to God, universe, source, whatever you resonate with, and trust in them and have faith in them that everything that's happening, it's happening for a reason. And I feel like right before we're going to come out with like our biggest breakthrough, our biggest manifestation, everything has to fall to shit. Everything has to crumble. But think of it as you are making more space for all the new that you are welcoming into your life, your new job, your new career, a new version of yourself. You have to get rid of the old. So on those days where you feel like giving up or everything is going to fall apart, put your hand on your heart and just tell yourself, like, everything is working out in my favor. Everything that is happening today is clearing out the old so that I can welcome in the new. This is hard, but I am surrendering and I trust and have faith that everything is going to work out in my favor, because it is. And sometimes when you're on this journey, which is why I'm so big about healing first, healing your traumas, and then reprogramming your subconscious mind, because on these days where everything feels like it's crumbling, a lot of people give up on this journey. They give up on their dreams. They give up on what they've been praying or manifesting for. They don't think they're worthy of it because they had a bad day. But there are tools to get you past those days that will instantly shift your mind to, no, this is happening for a reason. It's okay. I surrender and I'm going to sit back and trust and have faith. And the next thing that you can do after telling yourself that everything is going to be okay is start listing out things out loud to yourself of what you're grateful for. Because even on a bad day, that you wake up in this funk, in this like brain fog of this isn't working out, where are you at that moment? Are you laying in a bed? Are you inside of a home? Are you comfortable? Do you have a blanket? Do you have a pillow? Is your air conditioner on? That is something to be grateful for. So even though your bank account is negative, or even though you're having car trouble or something, you're alive. You're inside of a home. You have air, you have water, you have a shower, you have a toilet. Like, think of all of the little things that you have in that current moment where everything feels like it's falling apart, and just watch how you instantly will have a mindset shift to lack of, scarcity, fear, doubt, nothing's working for me, to a more positive mindset to, okay, you know what? I know my account is low or my account's negative, but I know money's coming because money is energy. Money always comes to me. I know that I'm going to have to go and fix my car and it's going to cost me money, but wow, like currently right now, I'm alive. I woke up this morning. I'm healthy. My family's healthy. I'm laying here in my bed, in a nice, comfortable bed, in a home. You know, you will instantly go to a gratitude mindset, and your energy and your vibe will shift from literally negative mindset to a positive mindset just by expressing gratitude. So surrendering, trusting, having faith, and showing gratitude is so big when you are on this healing, manifesting journey. And this is everything that I teach inside my Manifest Your Dream Life course.